Zimbabwe's Constitutional Court is expected to hand down a highly anticipated ruling tomorrow in a landmark case that could have major political implications for President Emerson Mnangagwa's future. Nzarabira mashikubdanyi kupangwa na chinzi court to decide Mnangagwa team extension beto today dot subscriber wale got on the bill equity binambo truth ambdanyi chiti. The case was brought by a group of Liberation War veterans who are seeking to stop Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3, arguing that the proposed changes are designed to extend Mnangagwa's time in office by an additional 2 years. The matter was argued before the court on 20 May, with judgment reserved until now. Represented by a constitutional lawyer Labomba Tuku, the applicants wanted the court to declare the amendment process invalid. They have cited President Mnangagwa and Attorney General CHAMISA as respondents. The war veterans contend that Mnangagwa breached constitutional provisions by chairing cabinet discussions and participated in the approval of amendments from which he could personally benefit. They argue that his involvement created a conflict of interest and violated constitutional obligations requiring impartial conduct, claiming the reforms are aimed at prolonging his presidency. Tomorrow's ruling is expected to be closely watched across the country. Doma developments are Ubra Pangwa Ine, Tiona Kuti Pangwa Ine, the court is about to decide on President Emerson Mnangagwa's term extension. Pangwa Nukwenzi, this outcome, which on political implications akanyanya panyika yeZimbabwe and also on the president and the ZANU-PF future. Doma developments aripo muri Zimbabwe Pangwa Ine. Pena comment section medu za kungire enyi matudi pa msiripi chitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, continue to on the bell icon.